Okay, this is a re-recording of what I have done in the class earlier. I managed to get a better picture, so this picture is without background. And what I would be doing is I would just crop. I'm interested to get a bird. Okay, so I've got the bird. Now, after you got the place where you wanted to crop, you just click anywhere on the screen. So you've got the bird. Okay, hang on, I need to go a bit further up for this. Okay. Now, and the next thing that I want to crop is the pig. I'll crop. This is the cute pig that I want. Okay, click anywhere on the screen. So my pig stays here, my bird stays here. I still see a bit of writing at the bottom. I will just come up a bit. Okay, this looks better. Now, I will do the animation. Add animation lines. So it's jumping. What I need to do is to move this slightly higher. Okay, and to reduce the time with previous play. So it's jumping real fast. Okay, maybe 1 second will do, then it won't be jumping so fast. Okay, alright. Then over here I will add animation. I will add a arcs. Okay, so you see this is coming down. I want it to be different, curving down. So rotating it, holding this up, and just making it very curvy. Okay, so it will also be with previous 1 second perhaps. So alright, and what I want to do is at the end of this I will add another animation. I want it to just spin, and this spinning will come after previous, so meaning it comes here all the way to the end of the arc. It will spin, and let me just show you what's happening. Jump, spin. It's spinning too slow. It's spinning too slow. I would just make it to 1 second or perhaps 0.5 seconds to make it spin faster. Next we would add another animation. Just go for the lines. It's appearing. So on this point of time, what you would do is, alright, so you would have this coming down, and it doesn't start on click after previous. Let's just see how it works. Spin. Okay, the angle is not really correct. A bird don't attack that way. We will need to adjust the bird a little bit to go this way, so that, yeah, kaboom. Alright. Good. So at this point of time, what would happen is I'll just make a copy of this pig. What would happen is the pig would disappear. So I will just add animation. I will just say disappear. Okay, and when would the pig disappear? The pig would actually disappear when the bird comes down to crash in, because I'm going to change this to, let's just take away the animation. Okay, so this pig would disappear with previous, and we will have a new pig appearing here. I will just do this target sign, format shape, line color, it will be red line, line style. I'll take 5 points, and fill would be no fill. Okay, that looks pretty okay. And I would need 2 lines to make it So this is one line, and this is another line. Okay, just going to control both to format object together. Width will be 5. Whoops. Format object. And line color would be red color as well. Okay, so I'm gonna just group all this together. Group. And this one, I'll just put it as target pig. This one is my pig. This one is my bird. Okay, so what happens right now is the target pig will just put it right nice there. I will go to animations. At animation, it will just appear, and with previous, it will appear together with the previous. And let's just play this. Okay, yep, it's good. So the next thing that I want to do is to make explosion. Okay, so this looks like an explosion. The only thing is that it needs to be red in color, and I can have an animation for it. Up here, let's say there is this zoom effect. Yep, zoom effect exploding, and it will be after previous. I just want it to be zoom. Okay, no, okay, that would be good. So maybe I just make this slightly smaller. Alright, so let's see how it looks like. Jump, turn, crash, boom. I remember the part that I said in class today. I want you to insert a red dot. So I would just use this, and I would say here, good job, Dr. Sim, for doing this animation. And animation, I would just put it, let me say flying. Effect options from right. Boom. Kaboom. Good job, Dr. Sim. Great. So we are done for this.